Hello everyone. Today I am here with recipe of radish pot and potato curry. I will also explain the significance of radish pots according to Ayurveda and modern science. After flowering, radish plant produce green juicy pods which are called radish pots. It is young fruit of plant and known as Singre and Mungre in India. Two types of radish pods are found, unripe and fully ripe. Radish pods are used as food in cooking and as feed in poultry industry. As per Ayurveda, radish pods balance Vata and Kapha dosha. Except this, I could not find much information on radish pods in Ayurvedic texts. Let us dive into significance of radish pods according to modern science. Radish pods contain vitamin, minerals, and many compounds which possess antioxidant activity. Scientific study show that it has antimicrobial and antiviral activity. A in vitro study showed that it possesses anti-cancer activity. A in vivo study in rats show that it is helpful in protecting liver, kidney and heart. A animal study also show that higher doses of radish pods extract leads to chronic gastritis. I hope my recipe and information on radish pods have added some value for you. Thanks for watching.